Hey, good morning, Rebecca.
Hi, Jack.
How you doing?
Good.
Hey, did you hear, what did the triangle say to the circle?
No, what did the triangle say to the circle?
You're pointless.
Okay.
I don't think you get it. It's a joke about because a triangle's got corners and the circle doesn't.
Got it.
Vertices. You got it? Okay.
Vertices.
Hey, I know my jokes are hilarious, but you know what's no joke?
What?
All the great resources you're going to get in these really cool boxes when
This
they come
is true.
from STEMscopes.
Mm-hmm.
And what else is no joke are those new PowerPoints that the math department's creating.
They're awesome.
And they are going to make sure that we take all the pieces of STEMscopes, put them together into a nice flow to make your classroom run smoother.
Perfect. Thanks, Jack.
You got it. Check out that video, by the way, on the PowerPoints. It'll tell you how they all work, how to go through them, how to use them. It's excellent.
Hey, Joe. Good morning.
Hey, how are you?
I'm good. So you ready to plan for this week?
I guess so. I've got my guides that I printed out. So
Perfect.
This is unit 1.
Okay.
Boxes from STEMscopes have arrived.
Yay.
Stoked about that. We got our student consumable book.
Okay.
So
I
ready
see you
for
have
that.
loads of manipulatives here, too.
Yeah, we got our manipulatives that came in.
Okay, so let's talk about how we can use what's in the guides and what you got from STEMscopes.
Right. So I already did Explore 1.
Okay.
I had to print a lot of stuff for that.
Yeah, I'm
That
sorry, the
wasn't very
boxes were a little bit late. But they're here now, so we're gonna get ready to prepare for Explore 2.
So I gotta go print some more stuff.
No! Okay, so we have Volume 1, so go ahead and open that one.
This one.
Oh, Volume 1, go ahead and open that one.
Maybe the lids are a little bit messed up in shipping, right?
Maybe. Okay,
Alright, yep.
so what do you
Represent
see in
numbers
there?
to 1,000.
The unit that you're in,
That's right.
numbers to
Second grade, numbers
1,000.
2,000.
Okay.
Oh,
And
look,
when you open
this has
up-
a hook. I printed that before.
Okay, so we have the resource that goes for the hook, so you don't have to print it out. Perfect.
Cool, that's good. Moving forward.
Alright, what else is in there?
I'm about to do Explore 2. And I
Okay.
was watching on the PowerPoint, there was a video, and they were talking about seeds on all these stations. So I guess these are the station cards?
Yeah, and there was a ton of station cards, right? 6 station cards, there's a bunch of them, and they're already perforated, so all you have to do is just fold and cut them out, or tear them out.
They seem pretty sturdy.
Yeah. Yes, so that's really important. They're very sturdy, and you can use them again. So put them in little baggies, and then make sure you put them back neatly into your box so that next year you have them, because you're not going to get another box next year.
Yeah, look, there's even a little folder. So I guess I just put everything in there.
They
It
thought of
tells me
everything.
Explore 2.
Yep,
Sweet.
so you'll have your little seeds in there. What else is in Explore 2?
I saw some place value mats. Yeah, look, hundreds, tens, and ones.
Yep. And they
then
might
the
look,
video.
yeah, they look
is-
huge, right?
Yeah.
But we watched the video, and you're gonna actually connect them. So what you can do is we have some sheet protectors, and you can put them in sheet protectors so that the kids can write on them if you want. That way you save them for next year. Or they can put their place value things on top, and then you connect them all, and they have one big place value chart.
So it seems like for the Explorers, any cards, tasks, they've already got it for me in
Yep,
here.
yep.
I can just tear them apart, cut them up,
Mm-hmm.
save them for next year. And then a lot of the place value charts, things like that, we can just drop them into a sheet protector and write on those.
Exactly.
Nice.
So you don't have to print that.
Don't have to
So
laminate.
that's all you have for the Explorers, and there's more things for all the other Explorers.
I see, there's a lot. This is all just for unit 1 here. Huh?
Yep. And when you're done, like you said, there's like a nice little pouch you can put it all back in, nice and neat.
So I was looking ahead, because there's another box here, the Fluency Builder.
Mm-hmm.
Like I see Fluency Builder Go Fish game that the
That
kids could
goes,
use together.
yeah, so that's one of the independent practice things. So you open up your Fluency Builder box, and let's see, this is
Just like a unit.
just like the
Represent numbers
unit.
to 1,000.
Yep, easy to find.
I see a 4 in a row game. Let's look for that Go Fish. Oh, there it is.
Go Fish, which is listed in the resource.
So we've got a
There it
nice cardstock directions and all the cards.
And if you wanted to laminate or do whatever, put them in your own folder box, whatever, just make sure that they're organized because you're not going to get another box next year.
And it has the folder.
There you go. And then what the students write in, did you get your student journal?
Oh yeah. Yeah, I was wondering, so Explore 1, I had to print their student journal, but we didn't have their consumable. So Explore 2, it's got a student journal and the exit tickets.
Yep, so the Explore 2, or the journal will have all the things that are in the student journal for all your explores. So you just have them open up and go to that page and they can write in the consumable book that
Yeah,
they
so there are a
have.
couple pages of student journal. And then I see their exit ticket as well.
Your exit ticket's also in there, yep. Even
Looking
less things.
ahead, yeah, it looks like anything that they need for future explores, pretty much all there. I see exit tickets, skill quizzes. There's a lot in here. The show what you know. Oh, I had to print that last time, so it's good to know I don't have to print it this time.
Exactly. So you're gonna be saving so much time next time you go to your Explorer 2. You can start by watching the PowerPoint, those preparation videos. If you're like, okay, I found it in the box, but what am I doing with it? Watch the preparation video. The blue slide on the PowerPoint definitely will help you with that. And then you dig into all the resources.
Well, that is awesome. That is a big relief to know that basically pretty much most of the stuff I need are in these boxes. So between these and the PowerPoints, I think I'm going to be ready to go.
Yeah, so let's dig in and let's get ready to plan.